So, today we have Cody here in the background. Show us your hair, Cody. This is Cody's hair.
Which I'm actually quite fond of and really nervous to change.
This is all natural, guys, right from the root down to this brassy, coppery, whatever ends that we have here. And today we are going to give her a total red bombshell makeover. You cat? You kitten? Now, here's the catch, is that we're going to be doing this with all drugstore products, and I'm going to be a bit of a mad chemist. We're going to be breaking the base with this casting cream gloss. Then I'm going to do a bit of an ombre balayage, and we're going to do a shadow root with this. I'm going to be going in right at the roots for about 6 inches with this. And then we are going to blend a concoction B that is going to be a mixture of these two that is going to go on the ends to create a lighter red. So, let's see how it goes. Let's get mixing. Look how cute the packaging, or everything is that comes in this one. That's the little developer bottle. Aww. How cute. It actually comes with a lot of product. And this is on sale for like $6. Okay, let's get going. So this is our first concoction. It is a Parisian Blonde, about a level 9 by L'Oreal Paris, mixed with a touch of a Bell Color Mahogany in about a level 4. And this is what we're going to use to frame the face with these foils. We'll see you when they're entirely on. So I've just loosely backcombed the fringe of Cody's hair here, and this is so that when we apply the balayage to frame the face, that it will have a very nice natural blend to it. The second concoction that I'm mixing is the Bell Color in the shade 4.5 Mahogany Brown again, and then I have a Revlon Color Silk shade in here as well, and I've also mixed in some Garnier Olea, and this is in the shade 4.35 Dark Golden Mahogany. This is going to be for the root smudge. So far we have Cody's face framing highlights and all of the root shadow, root smudge, and now we're gonna go in with this baby. So far we have the mahogany color applied to the ends, about 5 inches down the shaft, and now we're gonna go in with this color and do the mid-lengths to the ends. So now we have all of Cody's hair processing except for the very ends that I've left out, that I'm going to go over with a strawberry blonde color, and then I'm going to smudge it into the colors that I have on the mid-length and the roots. Okay, so we have applied all of the colors in the color melt to Cody's head. And I put just those little face framing highlights in this tiny little foil bulb. So do you want to turn around for us? So we've got like the mahogany melting all the way down to a copper blonde, light caramel brown. And we have probably, well, you never know, but it could be anywhere from 15 to like 30 minutes left processing. And we will see what happens. We be getting next for plastic, cruising around in my Bugatti. Just because we're broke don't mean we can't dream. We got puppies in the backseat, turning up on Trenta lattes, spray tan and flipping floppies, cheesing for the paparazzi. We got puppies in the backseat. We got puppies in the backseat.